No, just wait. I'm taking proof.
Ratchet erasers.
It's fine, they host anyway. You got 3 minutes? 2 minutes? 2 minutes, Sims? You have 2 minutes to host up now. Well, you got 2 minutes. He's mad. It's fine. You're in their game? We're not getting a loss, dude. They forfeit, dude. No, they will forfeit, dude. They can't really get proof of that, dude. No, dude. These kids are not premium, yo. They're not gonna get the win. Yeah, no. I'm recording right now. Yeah, no, I'm recording. Wait, do you see what rank we are? Opponents are not wanting to host up. We joined their game in session, and we're on a free-for-all. It's been almost 5 minutes now. We just played them 5 minutes ago. So, alright, we got the win. There is proof of that. We'll show that in the proof. I'm just gonna take a 5-minute video. I have a random player joining our match. It's free for all. I have the right rules on right now. We probably have another match scheduled. They have esport rules. Is it Terrace? Is Terrace the map? Okay. They have less than a minute. Yeah, it's been past 5 minutes. We're just giving them some time. That 1 minute ago. Their third that we're waiting on right now is Hybrid Sense. Alright. We're not starting it. What map are we supposed to be on? I don't know. But opponents aren't starting it. I got a 5-minute video right now. Should I just upload this? You want me to upload this? Alright. You want to back out? Yeah, it's started. Alright. Yeah, I've recorded 5 minutes, almost 6 minutes now. Or I'll record 6 minutes, so just be it in here. Map, you want to start it, man down. Like 7 minutes ago, that's when we last played these guys. 7 minutes ago. 8 minutes ago now. I got 6-minute proof of them no showing. Alright.